civil engineering, and more importantly, as a leader in this institution. Please, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, help me recognize Engineer HOB Lawal.
Sorry, Daddy, this way, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. The truth is, at the mention of the name of HOB Lawal, if you are a civil engineer in practice in Nigeria, you will understand the enormity of the grace that Engineer HOB Lawal carries. This man, at the height of the struggle for civil engineering administration in Nigeria, this institution was very fortunate to have been led by Engineer HOB Lawal. So many of us that came after him are fortunate that we had a leader at that time who is also a lion with the heart of a lion. Fought the battle, put us on a pedestal for an assured future. On behalf of the Board of Trustees, of which Engineer HOB Lawal is a very prominent member, I want to congratulate you, sir. But more importantly, I want to say thank you, sir, for services rendered, for services that you are still rendering, and by the grace of God, for services that you will continue to render. Thank you so very much, sir. When I took over as national chairman of this institution, a very wise man, someone I consider a teacher and a mentor, he said to me, if you are going to succeed, there are 3 people in the institution that you must hold very closely. And the first person he mentioned was Engineer HOB Lawal. He said, do not be far from him. And that tells you of the quantum of goodness in this man. And for me, very critical is the lesson to be learned here. The lesson that when you serve with integrity, when you serve with purpose, when you serve in a distinguished manner, you will continue to reap the reward. This gathering is a legacy and a testimony to service. Services that have been rendered by Engineer HOB Lawal. When I came in and I sat down, I was looking at the rules of the HOB Lawal Foundation. And for a man that has served so much, I believe God that this is just the beginning. Engineer HOB Lawal, thank you for what you have done. Thank you for what you are doing. Thank you for what you will continue to do. And on behalf of all the entire members of this institution who owe you a debt of gratitude, sir, we say thank you and God bless you. And for everyone gathered here today, I want to assure you that at the end of this discourse, I am assured that engineering would have moved forward. And I believe that when engineering moves forward, without any apologies to other professionals in the house, when engineering moves forward, Nigeria will move forward. Thank you and God bless you.
My young ones, please can you stand up and applaud your national chairman? Thank you for your generous smile. The basket is still right here. And I'm the Olaro Tiwa, we appreciate your presence here in the meet.
Thank you very much.